Maybe you slighted someone without knowing it, and they're mad at you.
Marty.
What?
I told you about this the other week. She was waiting for me in the rectory. Wrap yourself up because you are going to catch your death. Just...
I might, but what a way to go, huh?
Now, we have got to talk.
We will. We'll chatter on and on in the afterglow, like they used to say in the paperback novels. When it was over.
Marty, it is over right now. Now get your clothes back on now.
Right here? Can I do it in your bedroom? I need some help.
You don't need any help to put your clothes on. You are not a child. Stop acting like one.
Stop treating me like one. Then she came back, and you told her to get out in front of Billy. It's her.
Wait a second. I only said she was a possibility, Cass.
Andrew, you may know about heaven. Let me tell you about hell. It hath no fury like an oversexed, delinquent, scorned woman.
I'll talk to her.
About what? Why? She's obviously on some kind of revenge mission. And there's only one thing you could possibly do that could change her mind.
I got to talk to her because I don't believe that Marty would do anything this dangerous.
She's an unhappy kid.
Right. I'll talk to her. And I mean, now that the Douglases have gone to the bishop, these rumors are going to spread like wildfire all over town. I have got to protect myself. I've got to find out what people think they know.
I hate this job.
Marty, we need to talk.
You know what they made me do this morning? Old ladies' bedpans. Thank you and goodbye.
That's community service. That's the
I've
court
been
sentence.
here already. As a patient. Isn't lupus enough? Do I really need this replay action from the other side of a dinner tray? Not.
I'm sorry that you feel that way, Marty.
Really? Buzz off, Rev.
Marty, I said we have to talk.
You're looking a little stressed out there, Rev. You know what they say about getting rid of that tension. Come on, we've got a whole closet to ourselves. You can touch. Or does it feel too good? There you go.
Thank you. You hungry? Wanna go watch a movie? Oh. Stop. Joey?
Yeah?
I'm worried about Billy.
Yeah, I am too. He's changed a whole lot.
Yeah, totally. I mean, you think you know somebody and then they...
Yeah.
Maybe something happened.
Like what? You think something happened with his parents?
I don't know, maybe. I don't know, whatever it is, he's definitely avoiding us now.
Well, I know he's avoiding me.
No, it's me too.
He's mad at me. After the stupid way I was, I can't say I blame him.
I don't think that's it. I know Billy, Joey. This feels different. I don't know, it's like he's trying to hide something now.
Yeah. Well, something's going on. Something has everybody spooked. Even the Reverend, he looks worried about something.
Reverend Carpenter seems to look worried, though. Part of his job.
Well, there's serious and there's worried.
How can you tell the difference?
Well, I think with worried comes wrinkles between the eyebrows.
Yeah, he's worried. Ah, I wish Billy would talk to us.
You know what? It's like the sky suddenly gets dark and everything's quiet. And you know that there's a humongous storm coming and you can't do anything about it. Just have to sit and wait for it to happen. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, I do.
Marty, about what happened last week in the rectory. I'm sorry if I hurt your feelings. You caught me by surprise. And, I'm sure it made you angry. It's just like a slap in the face. It would make anybody angry. It's, you know, like, maybe a little bit like when Billy took the hotline away from you. I'm sure that made you angry. But, Marty, I understand your anger, okay? And I'm wondering if you've been saying things.
Saying things?
Things about Billy, maybe, to hurt him, or even about me. Or implying, or
Wait.
hinting.
I don't think I know what you mean. I'm a little dense sometimes. You know how all those schools I was kicked out of? Maybe if you talk slowly and use real simple words,
Right.
maybe then I'll get it.
Right, let me just say this straight out to you then, okay? Because...
I got things to do, excuse me.
Marty. No.
Andrew, listen, I'd love to stay and chat, but I've got a community service to do. All right? So many bedpans, so little time.
Marty, just listen. Did you tell the Douglases that I was making advances on their son?
What?
Billy, did you do that? I need the truth. Did you say that?
This is ridiculous. This is so juvenile. No, I didn't. Anyway, everyone knows you only have eyes for me.